there is a stuff that share with you long time ago. I share that to anyone, even the big wallet or any kind. Because that time I thought I can be trusted, but it's not. But how can the alien knowing that? I think you are the dictator on. Because I catch you. That kind of a big wallet, even though he's totally get hated in me, well, he's not like, what you call that, dili na siya, kanang, paritong i-pull niya, o gato, dili na, mga kupol ra na iyang ikuan niya, pero, bakakon man po na siya. Pero ikaw, in Filipino words, walay lain ako nga istoryahan, ug nganong nakahibalo man ang alien.